Hey, it's Brian Gutmerdelli here with MarineMax Huntington. Today, I'm excited to show you a brand new 2025 Sea Ray 310 SLX outboard. This boat is powered by twin 300 Mercury outboards. You'll get a top speed around 55 miles per hour in this boat. So first, let's start on the transom here. We'll go all the way down like so. This is a swim step. So this is submerged in the water. And when you're out and about swimming, you don't have to use that telescoping ladder. Simply lays down, climb up, and you're on the boat. Our lounge seating. You have backrest here, so if you want to sit a little bit more forward, just like so, simply lift up and push down to go down. You have 12 volts power here, your audio control with your Fusion stereo, and just look at all of this storage under here. We got nice LED lighting within the cup holders. So I know it's daytime now, but at nighttime, this boat really glows, draws a lot of attention, and it's a real pretty thing. As we move forward, you've got a nice ice chest here for drinks and coolers for people in the back. As you enter and exit the boat, your battery switches are here, which is always nice and very convenient. Your fuel fill is just here on the starboard aft side. So this is our dune interior color. We've also got the dune sea deck. We got a sink and a Kenyan grill. Just underneath the grill, you've got a nice Dometic fridge and a garbage chute. Something Sea Ray does well is they put handrails everywhere in convenient locations. So if you happen to be caught in some bad weather and, you know, someone doesn't want to be rocking and rolling, they don't have to grab the person next to them. Got nice leather wrapped handles on the stainless bars here. Nice teak accent table. And again, add it to your friends and family situation on this boat. Now this becomes one giant social set, and you could easily sit 8 to 10 people here and really enjoy yourselves on the water. For our friends and family sitting on the rear of the boat, you do have a telescoping sunshade here. So if you're done getting tan for the day, put that automatic sunshade back and you'll be protected. You got a manual roof here, which is nice. And now we're going to look at what we all like to look at, is storage on a boat. There always seems to be a lack of storage, but not on this boat. You can fit wakeboards in here, water skis, tubes, life jackets, anything you need to stow away that is of size. Just behind the helm seat, you've got even more storage under that seat there. As well as our port side. So here on the port side in the front, you've got dry storage here, typically phone, wallet, keys, some charging for cell phones, etc. Our head compartment is quite roomy, actually. I'm about 6'1". You can sit in here pretty comfortably. You got headroom. Got a little sink, a mirror here. So let's look at the helm. You got your nice bolster, which in this driving position is very comfortable. It's a fast boat, it drives sporty, and it does not feel like a heavy slow boat. This is gonna maneuver like a sports car. So you got your nice leather wrapped steering wheel here. Sitting on the bolster, see way over the windshield there. And down at this position, the bar is not in my view. I still have about middle of the glass there. So you got your binnacle here, your VHF, your trim tab control here, and your joystick, which is in a very comfortable position. So sitting here, the arm position feels natural. You can operate the boat pretty easily. Your stainless buttons here, your anchors, your lights, your navigation, things that if you don't want to use the screen, you're bouncing around, you got those controls there, and your Fusion radio. The wind and the rain starts coming, or it just gets a little chilly, and you want to run back in at a pretty good speed, you just have everyone sit down, you put your door in, put your glass in, Now you're fairly protected. You do have a filler cushion for this area to turn this into a big sunbed. You have a filler cushion for here so you can access your anchor line. You have windlass control. You have a remote if you so choose to operate it from the bow. You have a freshwater washdown. So if you want one of your guests to rinse the chain and rope as it comes in, you got a bunch of muck on the anchor. You know, Long Island Sound, you got those muddy areas, so that always comes in handy. If you look in the floor here, you do have a female insert for a table. You also have a connecting point here for a table as well. Quite a bit more storage here. This space is about 4 feet at the bottom with about a 2.5 foot entrance on the top. The bow of the boat is always the bumpiest, right? So you do have handles here and here. So these are placed really nicely. Once again, leather wrapped on the stainless, cup holders integrated without, and you've got LED lighting under all the cushions. If you're interested in this boat, contact us here at MarineMax of Huntington, 631-424-2710.